Greetings, I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore Teacher. Today we're going to talk about getting healthy by eating the proper human diet, my constant topic on here, but I always come at it from different angles, hoping that it will stick with somebody who needs to hear it. So my topic today is metabolic therapy. If we are eating properly metabolically, we can get off of most medicines that we seem to be dependent upon. When we're dependent on medicine to achieve a goal or to alleviate a symptom, we're depending on that chemical with all of their side effects, and every single drug has side effects. And if we can get metabolically healthy, we can wean off of deprescribe medicines, most of them. So what is metabolic health? When we are metabolically healthy, our body is functioning properly because it's receiving the nutrition that is meant for the human body. And that nutrition is, if you know my channel, you know my list, it's protein, it's healthy fatty acids, it's vitamins, and it's minerals. And if we get those four important aspects of healthy human nutrition, our metabolism becomes healthy. We are metabolically functioning at 100%. And when a person is metabolically functioning at 100%, that person does not need something to alleviate problems or symptoms or to help with things. I'm talking about drugs, prescriptions, or over the counter. When we're metabolically functioning optimally by nourishing our body properly, we don't need a lot of medicines or really any medicines. Now, there's always an exception. Medicine can be wonderful and it's great in certain circumstances. It saves people's lives, but we don't really need a lot of them if we're metabolically healthy, if we're eating properly. So just think about that. Take this tip with you and think about what you eat. What are you putting into your body to make your body metabolically optimal and healthy? Are you eating beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, and eggs? You don't have to eat all of those, but that's the list I always give. Dr. Ken Berry talks about beef, butter, bacon, eggs. We just give a list so we can show what the proper nutritional foods are for our body. I always use the word proper also because I like that word. Proper means it's meant for our species. We're not eating foods that our species can't handle, which, by the way, are carbohydrates in excess. It's seed oils like canola oil, soybean oil, safflower, seed oil, margarine, Crisco. Those are not metabolically healthy for really anybody. Any animal at all should not be having seed oils. Our human body functions really great, amazingly well, when we get that complete protein from all the amino acids that come from animal products and the animal fats that come with it. And if you beef up the animal fats with more butter or beef tallow or bacon fat, then you're really getting everything you need. And in that protein and in that fat, the fat too, are the fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins, so you don't need to take supplements. And minerals, there's many, many, many minerals like iodine and copper and zinc and magnesium and sodium and potassium. There's lots of micro amounts that we need that we get in the animal products with the protein and the fat. Ruling out ultra-processed food that comes in boxes and packages with barcodes, because that has a little bit of all the stuff I just mentioned mixed in with a lot of filler, a lot of carbs, sugars, seed oils, added colors, added flavorings, added preservatives, a lot of chemicals that basically wear you down. And then if we're talking about plants, vegetables, and fruits, you may be getting some vitamins and minerals, but it's kind of being taxed or blocked by the fiber and the anti-nutrients. These are chemicals that the plants make to protect themselves and to allow mineral absorption into their plant stems and leaves and cells. And it robs our body of the minerals and the vitamins because That's what it's supposed to do. So that's why we carnivores rule out plants. Can you have some? It depends on your body. How do you react to them? I don't want any, but I know that my body can handle a little bit if I wanted to, if a little bit got by. But I prefer to stay as clean and healthy and have animal products with animal fats only. I'm salivating talking about it. I just ate my lunch. We're metabolically healthy, and we don't need supplements and we don't need medicines, most of us. So I just wanted to come at it from that angle in this video. If you liked the message in this particular video, push that thumbs up button. And if you'd like to tell somebody else about it, click the share button, send it to a different social media site, to friends and family. And if you'd like to get more of my content, click the subscribe button and become a subscriber. And then I put out a video every day, and I try to keep up with everything and come at this from many angles. And a lot of people are telling me in the comments, leave comments, by the way, I will respond to every single comment. The comments are telling me that I'm reaching people. So hopefully I can continue to do that. That's the only reason I do this, to pay it forward, because someone has helped me, I'm helping other people. Have a great day.